Oh, Slam Shady, come on. What are they? Oh my God, what's going on? Let's go. Come on, come on, come on. Oh shoot. Oh, what is that? Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is Connor, your YouTube fisherman. Finally back on my Old Town Sportsman Autopilot 120, powered by Minn Kota iPilot technology, which you guys know I love, I adore. But we're here. It's been a while. I haven't been feeling well. Thank God, finally I'm feeling much better, and had the power to take my kayak out. That's my favorite platform to fish. And today we just gonna cruise, guys. Gonna cruise along the mangroves, docks, ledges, dips, cuts, anything that we can find, catch some good fish, and then later on we're gonna hit the bridge, under the bridge, for some black drum, big ugly. I got some blue crabs and some shrimp with me as well, so I'm gonna try that. I'm gonna chum the water before, attract them, and then hopefully we're gonna catch some big black drum. So stay tuned for that. Fish on, baby. Early morning, top water. We were walking the dog. Oh yes, gotta love morning bite. Oh yeah, that's a good fish. Oh man, easy. Oh man, look at that. Oh, that's a sail cat, huge, on a walker, top water. What? That is crazy. Wow. Okay. That's a big one too. He pulled like a freight train as well. Well, that woke me up, but that's not what we want. Let's get him off. It's right on his gill too. Hold on, buddy, we'll get you out. Oh well, let's keep going. Dolphins are working. I just got a lady fish too. He's got up. We're just walking the dog. Left, right, right here. That's our presentation, but dolphins all over. I caught 2 fish already and they're here. Amazing. They're so smart. But we're just zigzagging the top water. The sound and the motion of the, oh, see, the top water is amazing. Look at that. Yeah, definitely. That's why we get all the hits. And that's why the dolphins are here. Cheers, everybody. Nothing like Wawa coffee early in the morning. We're going to my couple other spots right now. Just couple ladyfish and big sail cat, but that was it. I saw some blow-ups, but not much. It's around 2.83 feet here. It's perfect for the trout. Let's see if we can catch some with the Slam Shady. We stopped using the top water. The sun is up, so Slam Shady will be the ticket. I'm gonna use the white one and the pink one as well, so let's see. Fish on, baby. trout. Oh yeah. Man, this is so cool. This is really cool. It never misses. 2 to 3 feet. This is like a trout heaven. Look at that. Beautiful. Hold on. I'm gonna let you go. Hold on. You're not 15-inch. Slam shady. Does the job. Nice tail action. Beautiful. Nice frozen crab. 50-pound mono, 30-pound braid, Shimano 5000. And we got our Shakespeare ugly stick, that's the medium. And let's see, we're at 12 feet, targeting some black drum. We're gonna anchor here, drop it on the piling, and here we go. Hoping for some big ugly black drum, baby. Man, gotta love that fight, guys. Gotta love that fight. It's like a tug war. I love it. So hopefully we will catch one big ugly. Let's go. Oh guys, look at that. Look at that. Whatever it is, I'm gonna toss this. Holy moly. What are we going over there? What's going on? Look at all that bait jumping. Oh, slam shady, come on. What are they? Oh my god. What's going on? Let's go. Come on, come on, come on. Oh shoot. Oh. What is that? What is that? It's over there too. Oh my god. That was crazy. I'm going there now. Oh. What the? I think they're jacks. Let's catch them up. Oh my god, what? Let's go. 8, 9, 10. Let's go. What do we have? What do we have here? Oh my god, that was crazy, guys. That's crazy. Definitely school. Definitely school of jacks. But they was huge. One almost jumped into the boat. Oh, there's come there. Alright, let's go. Let's find them. What the? What are they? You know what? Let me toss that. Yep, they're huge jacks. Huge jacks. Alright, let's go. Slam shady. Come on, baby. Oh yeah, they're here. Big jacks. They were destroying the bait. Come on. Slam shady. There's some there. Oh man. Wow, guys. That is great. Up right there. Come on. Slam shady. Come on, slam shady. Any minute. I have the crab on this, but it's okay. Just I let it in there. Oh my god, guys. Alright, here we go. Come on, jacks. Oh, there's some destroying right there. Come on, slam shady. Wow, that was really cool. That was super cool. Alright, come on. Yeah, school of jacks. Incredible. Oh, that's a big turtle. Come on. We're gonna hook one. Let's go. Come on. Come on, man. Oh, look at him. Look at him. Holy crap. Come on. Come on. Come on. Look at him right there. Right there. Dude. Dude. Come on. Come on. Well, guys, this is it. This was a quick video. Not much action. Couple trouts, big sail cat. Tried to get the black drum, but nobody's home. Tried everything, shrimp, crab, but no good. It was 90 degrees in the water. That's hot, and 115-degree weather heat index. I had to get out of there. But the cool thing was I saw that school of jacks, but I got jack. I had to do that. I'm sorry, guys. Yeah, I got jack. But I really want to catch one. They were huge. I mean 30, 40, 50 inches. They were humongous. But couldn't get one bit and then let go, and they were just gone so fast. You know, I couldn't catch it with my kayak, but it was fun. Other than that, nothing else. Going home. I got games. Thanks for tuning in. Definitely it'll be better next time, I'm hoping. So stay tuned for the next video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Tight lines.